Today we're gonna see how you can fall color in an apple. So it's easy. By the way, you can take screenshot and try to draw it if you like. If you don't like, you can just draw a circle and add some lines, you know, some straight lines for it, and it will look good. Just try it, okay? And there is on all the app some tools that will help you to draw. This is more easy. I draw it in 5 minutes, so like you say, I'm adding red because I like apple, red apple. There is some people like like green, but red is the most powerful for me. So like you see, I did it now. Now for background, I'm gonna choose other color for me. So maybe I'm gonna choose one of these three. For me, I'm gonna go with this. By the way, some tips: draw always the the background on other layer and color for other layer, because if you have any mistakes you can go and remove it. Okay, don't draw all thing in one layer, because if you make some mistake you're gonna know that you can not change it. Okay, so that's it. I'm adding now some shadows, you know, behind. And by the way guys, thank you for 1000 subscriber. It's something, it's something good for me. I like you guys and I love you. I'm doing my best here to share with you some art. It's my passion, by the way. And I hope this channel one day will be monetized, okay? Because we don't have much hour. You know, on YouTube you need watching time, so I see you on